Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm still using my phone out. These are my two jet skis. The reason I'm making this video today is actually because this one decided to not crank on the water. It went for a little bit and then it wouldn't crank back up. So what I'm gonna do now is put the key in and see if I can see what sound it makes. So hopefully somebody can help me figure out what's wrong with it. Alright, I'm going to put the key in and I'm going to see if we can hear what it does without the seat off. But first I'm going to show you the lights. See, so everything's on. That's the unlock light right there, and then that one right there, it's like the RPMs. And it says north, whatever that means. But over here, there's buttons. There's like a mode button. Alright, yeah, so you wouldn't be able to hear it, so I'm going to be real quiet now, and we're going to take the seat off, and hopefully y'all can hear it. Alright, so I'm going to lay my phone down here, and I'm going to go ahead and crank it now. So let's see if we can hear it. Sorry.